Welcome to the video in the series on spring cleaning your digital life. Let's first take a look at bookmarking. By now, you probably know that to bookmark a page so that it's quickly accessible to you on this bookmarks bar, you simply need to click the star or quickly organize it by dragging the lock. Once you've done that, you are free to right-click, edit, rename it, or totally get rid of the name if you so choose and you recognize the symbol. This allows a lot more of the things you use every day to be easily accessible and visible to you all at once, at one click away. What else should we do? If there's something else we're not using anymore, delete it. Right click, delete. Right click, delete. Move things around, reorganize, create a folder, right click, add a folder. Move those folders around, move things into those folders with drag and drop. That's it. Let's check off bookmarking on our Google Keep list. Have a fantastic day.